Hey, welcome to the channel, More Dirt, More Distance. In this video, I wanted to share 5 external mods I've done for my Jeep Gladiator Django. Each of these mods are cheap and easy. They cost under $100 each, require minimal tools, and you can do all 5 in the afternoon. So let's check them out. Number 5 is a new antenna. This is a 7-inch flexible rubber antenna. I found it on Amazon for $26.99. The stock antenna is 35 inches long and looks out of place on the Gladiator, so replacing it was one of my first cosmetic modifications. You can really see the difference when you do a side-by-side comparison of the two antennas. As far as signal quality goes, I didn't notice a big difference between the two, but in my area, AM/FM signals aren't great no matter what antenna you use. Some people go ahead and get rid of the antenna altogether, but I like having the AM/FM option, even though I mostly listen to music through my phone. You'll need a wrench to remove the stock antenna, but installing the new one is as easy as it gets. There are a ton of different styles of antenna. You can even get one that's shaped like a bullet. I chose this one because I love carbon fiber and plan on using carbon fiber accents throughout the build. This simple mod makes a big visual difference. Number 4 is replacing the plain stock hood latches. I found a set on Amazon for $43.99. There are so many aftermarket hood latches for Jeep JLs and Gladiators. I picked a set of aluminum latches from Sparta, but you can get latches that lock, different colors, different designs, different styles, but no matter what you pick, the installation is going to be simple. I'll put a link in the description of the full installation of all the mods that I'm going through. Number 3 is a name decal. I got a 3.5 inch tall by 25 inch long set for $30 on Etsy. I went with a company called Sidewinder Graphics out of Utah. I chose them because they got good reviews and they used a site called thefont.com for their font selection. There's so many options there, you're guaranteed to find one that you'll like. Naming my Gladiator was just a fun way to personalize it. If you're a Jeep fan, like and subscribe so you don't miss my next install. Applying the graphic was so easy, you're looking at an install time of about 30 minutes. Number 2 is a QuickLift hood strut kit from Redline Tuning. Got mine on Amazon for $99.95. I recommend this mod if you like doing your own maintenance and installs. With the strut kit, the prop rod isn't in the way and just generally feels more secure. It's a really nice, convenient mod to have. It's also really nice that this is a one tool install and probably take you 30 minutes. If there's an exterior mod that you really love, share it by letting me know in the comments. My number 1 cheap and easy exterior mod is the Hauk Off-Road Gladiator Tailgate badge. It's $74.99 on Amazon. The rear end of the stock Gladiator needs some work in my opinion. The Jeep badge looks small, and don't get me started on the tail lights. But I have upgraded the tail lights. I'll leave a link to that video in the description if you're interested. The Gladiator badge by Hauk Off-Road looks bold and dynamic and really fits the tailgate well. This install isn't difficult, but it can be time consuming. The adhesive can take some work to remove, but the key is heat and patience. Those are my top cheap and easy exterior mods, but check out this video for some cheap and easy interior mods.